What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And when it comes to this Croc situation, Salehe Bembury is on fire. But the sizing. Someone has to get in front of a camera and give us a YouTube video on what size to get in these. I guess that's what I'm doing today. Hit the B-roll. This colorway is sick. What's up, family, man? In this video today, I'm going to try to help y'all get what size y'all need in the Salehe Bembury Crocs or slides or clogs. There's a whole bunch of names right now. Salehe Bembury, man, that's a good dude, man. I met him before, great guy. He's killing his Croc game, man, but like the sizing is out of control. I'll give y'all a little backstory. When these dropped here, the clogs, I forget the name. This had a funny name. I can't remember. But I brought these for my girl, right? So they are a men's 8, women 10. My girl wears an 8 and men, right? Somehow they fit me. She didn't want them. She was out of her Croc situation. Like, she used to get too many Crocs. And I decided to keep them for myself. And they fit perfect, guys. Like, how can a men 8 fit me and I wear 10 and a half in men? That was ridiculous. Then I needed some new slides for vacation. And this colorway is dope, man. So when I went to Croc to try to get this, when these dropped, I didn't know whether to go my regular size. Like, my true to size was slides is a size 10. Because I wear 10 and a half, 11 in sneakers. So I always go under because usually you're not going to have on no socks. So it just fits perfect. So I usually go with a 10. With these, I went with a men 9, woman 11. And these fit perfect, right? So last week, Memorial Day, you know, all the people have super stupid sales. Croc had a 25% off and they had the yoke colorway. And I wanted this colorway because y'all know I'm a Laker fan. I can wear all my Laker leisure stuff with this yellow yoke colorway. And I went again. I went with the men 9, woman 11 instead of going with that men 8, woman 10 that I did in the pink joints. Because I wanted to see if I could get like a wider feel. And these fit too. So like, what I would tell you guys, man, is I feel like anywhere one up or one down in your size will fit. But let me put them on and then you guys can see what I mean. So as you can see the fit as I'm trying them on, the men 9, women 11 fits almost perfect. And I'm a men 10 and a half or 11, but I do get 10 in slides. The 9 is a whole size down, guys, and it's fitting perfect. Also, the men 8 fits not perfect, a little tighter, but it fits. It's comfort. I feel like the rubber material, the soft material, has this thing where it just forms to your feet. So it's like if you wear a true to size 10, you can go all the way down to 8 and be perfect, or you could go up to 11 and have a little bit more room. It's weird, man. But I just wanted to like make this video so you guys can have some kind of guide to go on to get your size the way you want it to fit. They on sale, like I said, 25% off, so I know people are running to get them, but they just confused with what sizing to get. I hope I help, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.